Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Once again I'm bringing you guys the best new tweaks for today, and they are completely free. They are available on Cydia, and you can download and customize your device, and they're really awesome. I just downloaded on my device and it's look cool. So also there's a tweak that it gave you more information about Cydia and all of that. So before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. So let's get this video started, and let me show you guys what you guys can do with this these tweaks. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Cydia, and then once you're in a Cydia, the first tweak we're going to talk about really quick is the dark paper. Now the dark paper, let me show you guys. I'm going to go to install tab and recent, and you guys can see right there. It's called dark paper right there. And with this you guys can have so many different live wallpapers on your device. It's dark or regular wallpaper. So this is what the tweak look like, and I'm going to show you guys what it look like in my setting. So we're going to go back to the setting, and this is my setting, and once we go in there, okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our device wallpapers, and then we're gonna go to choose a new wallpaper. Once we are in there, we're gonna choose stale, and these are all the stock iOS wallpapers, and you get this is the I believe this is what you get with the stock iOS. And now you guys can watch, scroll up, and you guys have all these different really cool looking wallpapers. They're awesome. They do apply with the dark wallpaper or regular wallpaper. You guys have all these. Look at this. These are just like these are a lot for right now, but I mean the developer, he's adding more. So in the future we're gonna get more. We're gonna click on this, and look at this, how cool this wallpaper look. And you can set this to lock screen, or set it to home screen, or just both. So, and then we're gonna try one more, and there. Now this one, this is look good. I like this one. And then I'm going to show you guys one more really quick, and then we're going to go to the next tweak. So now watch this one. Look at this. What a nice looking wallpaper. So I mean, you don't have to stuck with those stock iOS wallpaper. Now you have all these in the same spot, so you guys can custom have the custom wallpaper on your device, or lock screen. So now the next one we're going to talk about is the clear widget. Now I'm going to show you guys in the Cydia really quick. So we're going to go to, it's right there. So with this tweak, it's called clear widget. And with this, when you go to your notification screen, you guys can see in this picture, it's like a glass. It's all you see is the icon and the writing. You don't see any background for this. So basically, your home screen or lock screen background, you see, that's what you see. So I'm gonna go to my you guys can see in this picture, and also I'm gonna show you guys in my on my device. I have installed. You guys saw that, and look at this. So this is my and the Safari app suggestion side. And see, it's like a glass effect in the background. So This is a nice tweak, and I highly recommend for you guys to have it. So awesome tweak. And also the now next one we're going to talk about is install. On the install, what this does is let me show you guys in a Cydia. We're going to go to Cydia, and then in Cydia we're going to go to this, and it's called install. And it's basically what this does is normally you one source that you install the package, but at this moment if you don't have this tweak you can't tell how many package in the source and how many you install and how many there's left. But with this tweak, once you install this tweak, it will show you number of installed packages from each source in the Cydia. So we're going to go to source tab, sources, and then once we go there, now you guys can see each tweak it shows now the first one, the Alex PNGs repository. You guys can see it says 11 out of 18. So I have 11 installed out of 18, and then the next one you guys can see is 68 out of 337. So basically that's what this tweak does. And now hike your iPhone. Now you guys can see I installed 3 out of 10,004. There's a lot of package in this. So this one, Checkra1n repo, I download 0 yet. So yes, this tweak bring this information to your Cydia, so you know which source that you downloaded package, how many you downloaded, and how many there's left to check it out. So that's what this tweak does. And the next one we're gonna do now, next one we're gonna check out is the white line widget. Now I'm gonna show you guys in a Cydia. We're gonna go to install, reason, and this is the widget right there. So basically what this does is add the time, the date, and the month, and the temperature where you at, and it adds through the XCN, and you guys have to have that, and I'm going to show you guys on my device what it really look like, and where you once you install it, where you go and set it up. So now the next step I'm going to show you guys what mine look like. If I drag down my screen from the status bar, so there is. See right now where I'm sitting, it is 4:12 p.m. and it's June the 2nd and 2020, and I didn't enable the temperature yet, so that's why you guys see the question C, because I haven't. So we're gonna go to my setting, and once we are in my setting, we're gonna go to tweaks, and then once we go to tweak, and then we're gonna do go to XCN HTML right there. That's what you guys have to have on your device to able to enable that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to lock screen, then we're gonna go to background widget, and then we're gonna go to add widget, and that's where it's gonna show up. So if I click on this, so you guys can see right there. And the good thing is you can put it anywhere on your screen and it will appear. Let's say I'm gonna put it on the side right there, and then all you have to do hit that OK button, and now we're gonna see where it appear. So right, see, now you have 2. So basically once you apply on one position of the screen, then what you have to do, you have to delete that and then able to have the second one. But if you want 2 for some reason, if it's your iPad or bigger screen, you can have 2. You can have in this corner, you can have in this corner. Yeah, so this is awesome tweak. And also there's gonna be one surprise tweak in the description below, so I want you guys to watch the whole video and go to my description, and you guys are gonna find one surprising tweaks. So that's all for today, and please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Thank you, and I see you guys in the next video.